Hi guys, I'm back with another YouTube video, and today I'm going to show you how I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I know I've did some videos about eyebrows, but it was really bad. I feel like today it's like an update added to it of how I do my eyebrows, and I'm gonna show you like step by step how I do it and then what do I use to achieve like nice eyebrows. I'm not gonna say that now my eyebrows are perfect, but I feel like they're better than how they were before. So if you're a beginner, I'm gonna show you how step by step you can actually get to do your eyebrows in a simple way. I'm gonna show you what products I use and where you can actually start. So I hope you get to enjoy this video. So before we start everything, I'm going to show you 3 products you need to actually have so you can actually do your eyebrows. So here we have an eyebrow pencil. You need an eyebrow pencil to do your eyebrows because I feel like when you use an eyebrow pencil, it's gonna look more natural. You only have to fill up the eyebrows. So I got this one at MAC. I always get mine at MAC store. And the other thing you need to have is a concealer. Of course, a concealer is very important when you're doing your eyebrows. You want to have a concealer that's a little brighter than your skin, so that way your eyebrows can pop more. And the next thing you're gonna need is a brow gel. So now you don't need to have a brow gel, but I suggest it because I feel like when you apply it after your eyebrow pencil, I feel like your eyebrows gonna look even more nicer. As my eyebrow gel says here, it says that it's 24 hours long lasting. So you can see that when you apply a brow gel on your eyebrows, it helps last longer, so you can slay those eyebrows all day long. So I'm gonna suggest you to have a brow gel, but if you don't have it, it's not the end of the world. You can just use a concealer and eyebrow pencil and you're good to go. So let's go and start this video.